Crabs are far more strange and colorful than you think. Let's explore the most incredible crab species in the world. Japanese spider crab. Japanese spider crabs are the largest arthropods in the world by leg span, reaching up to about 12 feet across in deep Pacific waters. Vampire crab. Vampire crabs are colorful freshwater crabs known for their bright eyes and semi-terrestrial lifestyle. Decorator crab. Decorator crabs attach algae, sponges, and other organisms to their shells as camouflage against predators. Coconut crab. Coconut crabs are powerful terrestrial crustaceans capable of climbing trees and cracking coconuts with their exceptionally strong claws. Blue crab. Blue crabs are fast-swimming coastal crabs that use paddle-shaped rear legs to move efficiently through estuaries and bays. Dungeness crab. Dungeness crabs inhabit cold Pacific coastal waters and play an important ecological role as both predators and scavengers. Arrow crab. Arrow crabs have long, pointed legs and bodies that allow them to navigate complex coral reef environments. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs are ancient marine arthropods whose blue blood contains hemocyanin and is used in medical safety testing. King crab. King crabs are actually more closely related to hermit crabs than to true crabs despite their large, heavily armored bodies. Fiddler crab. Fiddler crabs are known for the male's oversized claw, which is used in territorial displays and courtship signaling. Ghost crab. Ghost crabs are fast-moving beach dwellers that dig deep burrows in sand to avoid predators and extreme heat. Sally Lightfoot crab. Sally Lightfoot crabs are agile intertidal crabs that leap across rocky shores and feed on algae and small invertebrates. Snow crab. Snow crabs thrive in cold, deep waters and have long, slender legs adapted for walking across soft seafloor sediments. Stone crab. Stone crabs can regenerate lost claws over time, allowing them to survive predation and harvesting injuries. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs protect their soft abdomens by occupying empty snail shells, switching shells as they grow. Box crab. Box crabs can fold their flattened claws tightly against their bodies, forming a protective shield. Porcelain crab. Porcelain crabs filter plankton from the water using specialized feathery mouthparts instead of actively hunting prey. Land crab. Land crabs migrate in large numbers to the ocean to release their larvae, linking terrestrial and marine ecosystems. Spider crab. Spider crabs have long legs and small bodies that help them blend into kelp forests and rocky reefs. Pea crab. Pea crabs are tiny symbiotic crabs that live inside mollusks such as oysters and clams. Mitten crab. Mitten crabs are named for the dense patches of hair on their claws and are capable of migrating long distances in rivers. Mangrove crab. Mangrove crabs play a key ecological role by recycling organic material within tropical mangrove ecosystems. Christmas Island red crab. Christmas Island red crabs are famous for their massive annual migration from forest to sea for breeding. Rainbow crab. Rainbow crabs display vivid shell colors and live in burrows near tropical coastal areas. Golden crab. Golden crabs inhabit deep Atlantic waters and are adapted to life in low-light environments. Gaudy clown crab. Gaudy clown crabs have striking red and white patterns and often associate with sea anemones. Swimming crab. Swimming crabs possess flattened hind legs that function like paddles for active movement in open water. Hairy crab. Hairy crabs have bristly setae on their claws that help trap food particles in muddy habitats. Rock crab. Rock crabs have thick shells and powerful claws suited for crushing hard-shelled prey like mussels. Mud crab. Mud crabs thrive in estuaries where fluctuating salinity requires strong physiological tolerance. Leaf crab. Leaf crabs have flattened bodies and limb shapes that resemble drifting plant material for camouflage. Sentinel crab. Sentinel crabs use visual signals and claw waving to communicate within their colonies on tidal flats. Red king crab. Red king crabs grow large in cold northern oceans and are highly valued in commercial fisheries. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel InfoMillion.